Hey, this is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment. Thanks for tuning back into us to watch a little short video on kind of a cool machine that we set up and sold a couple of to a large national construction company. It's actually a 5 gallon a minute at 5,000 PSI machine. We call it our TMS, truck mounted skid unit. You can get this in hot or cold water. These happen to be cold water machines, 24 horse Honda, extra large fuel tank, hose reel mounted on the top here. And the kind of thing that's cool about it is it's got its own tank. So you can pick the whole thing up, move it around, great for putting on a trailer, maybe a construction vehicle, flatbed trailer, pickup bed, whatever. It has a antifreeze tank for winterization up here. I think this tank is 220 gallon tank, and there's not a lot more to it. General high-end 5,000 PSI belt drive pump, and just a nice little unit. We thought we'd just give you a little quick walk around of it. If you need anything like this or anything custom made, we can do it here at Superior Cleaning Equipment, and we appreciate the opportunity.